Hello, dear friends. Myself, Advocate Ketki Paush. Friends, we use internet on day-to-day basis और आजकल तो हर कोई व्हाट्सएप यूज करता है। पर क्या आपको पता है व्हाट्सएप पे या किसी भी सोशल मीडिया पे किसी के पर्सनल या प्राइवेट मैसेजेस या तो डेटा शेयर करना या पब्लिश करना क्राइम है। सोशल मीडिया पे हमें बहुत ह्यूज प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है टू शेयर आवर थॉट्स। बट क्या आपको पता है किसी को स्टॉक करना ये क्राइम है, जिसे साइबर स्टॉकिंग भी कहते हैं। हमें ये तो पता है कि इंडिया में बहुत सारे लॉ है, रेगुलेशंस है, पर क्या हमें ये पता है कि वो लॉ किस लिए है, उनमें क्या लिखा गया है, हाउ दे अफेक्ट अस एंड हाउ दे प्रोटेक्ट अस? नो, वी एक्चुअली डोंट नो। सो टू स्प्रेडिंग टू spread legal knowledge, we are conducting course known as legal awareness. And today we are going to see unit 1 of our course, that is legal awareness need of time. So dear students, today we are going to see how and why legal awareness is actually important and how it is going to affect our life. So let's see the content of our unit 1. We are going to discuss meaning of term legal and what is legal awareness, definition of legal awareness, need of legal awareness, also very important thing, basic legal knowledge. Why legal awareness is important, legal aid and impact of legal awareness. So what is the meaning of legal awareness? Or first of all, we'll see what is the meaning of term legal. Legal, as its name suggests, it is related to law. So we know, you must have heard, in India there are several laws. So anything which is related to law is known as legal law, or connected with law or its administration is known as legal. Now the question arises, what mean by law? In simple language, law means a set of rules. Okay, so an official rules of a country or a state that states that says what people may or may not do. Of course, that's why we used to say, is there any act is legal or illegal? We always need to check before conducting any act. Why? Because of law. Law says that it clearly have explained what people can do and what they cannot do. So there are several laws in India, like our constitution, which is supreme law, land laws, employment law, Indian company law, Indian business law, civil law. Yes, there are n number of laws, but in our course, we'll discuss basic laws that a student, a person, a citizen need to know. I'll try to give you basic legal knowledge. So moving forward, what is actually legal awareness? The meaning of legal awareness is spreading knowledge of law. Now, why it is important? Why to spread knowledge about law? Because it helps to give awareness about legal culture. Each and every person should know what are the laws of our land. Land means our country. So we used to say that knowledge is power. So yes, indeed it's true. An educated man or woman is aware about his duties as well as rights. So everyone need to know what would they do when someone stops them from doing something without any fault. What to do in that case? So people must know, and when they can know, कब वो समझ सकते हैं कि अगर कोई हमें रोक रहा है कोई भी चीज करने से जबकि हमारा कोई फॉल्ट है ही नहीं, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? उसके लिए आपको लीगल अवेयरनेस होना बहुत जरूरी है. There are number of people who are unaware about their fundamental duties and fundamental rights. Hence, again, it helps to promote justice. Our society, it is a combination of people. And of course, law is very essential part of our society because it helps to promote justice to any victim. Now, what is the meaning of victim? Victim means any person or any animal that is injured, killed, or hurt by somebody or something. So, legal awareness helps us to keep the society peaceful and well-mannered. If we know what are the laws, then only we can follow them. अगर हमें पता है कि ये एक्ट करना इलीगल है, तो ऑफ कोर्स हम वो एक्ट नहीं करेंगे. बट हमें पता ही नहीं है कि क्या इलीगल है, क्या लीगल है. तो how society can run in a peaceful and well manner? Yes, that's why knowing law helps us to promote consciousness of legal culture, participation in formation of law and rules of law. So, students, need of legal awareness. Mahatma Gandhi ji said that the first step to achieve justice is to make injustice visible. अगर आपको जस्टिस चाहिए, आपको न्याय चाहिए, तो उसके लिए आपको ये पता होना जरूरी है कि मेरे साथ इनजस्टिस कहाँ हो रही है या ये चीज इनजस्टिस है, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, तभी तो आप यू आस्क फॉर जस्टिस. सो एवरी कंट्री हैज अ सेट ऑफ लॉ which is govern the smooth execution of things of all sphere of life. That's why law is very important. But no one can give a reason. Okay, I don't know. That was a law or that was a crime or my conduct was illegal. That I don't know. So ignorance of law in a place cannot be treated as an excuse to any crime committed. For example, अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ आप किसी रोड पे या हाईवे पे कार चला रहे हैं और उसकी स्पीड लिमिट 80 किलोमीटर है और आप 100 के स्पीड से जा रहे हो, अगर आपको ट्रैफिक पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया एंड यू आर लायबल टू पे फाइन, तो आप ये एक्सक्यूज नहीं दे सकते हो कि मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि स्पीड लिमिट 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर है, क्योंकि इट इज मैंडेटरी कि आपको लॉ पता ही होना चाहिए. So you cannot give that excuse. And I have seen many times people are unaware about their basic rights. Yes, people or every member of society should have the basic knowledge and basic understanding of law. Now ये क्यों जरूरी है? Society has a large belief that के लॉ स्टूडेंट या तो लॉयर्स को ही लॉ पता होना चाहिए, बट ये गलत चीज है, ये बात गलत है. विदाउट इवन रियलाइजिंग हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज, लोग इग्नोर कर देते हैं. बट नो, इट इज इसेंशियल एंड इट इज इसेंशियल at least to have a basic idea of law. Basic idea मतलब क्या? You should know your fundamental rights. So why basic legal knowledge is necessary? So student, it is very important to understand that what is the purpose of law. law, of course, it regulates the conduct of each and every member of society. But law also gives us protection. It also gives us freedom. Zara sochiye, if the person are absolutely unaware of what they can do and what they cannot do, whose conduct we are trying to regulate. ये कैसे हो जाएगा? अगर कोई बॉक्सिंग मैच चल रही है और एक बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल बॉक्सर है और एक नॉर्मल इंसान है, दोनों में फाइट हो रही है, तो नॉर्मल इंसान को रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस पता ही नहीं है, तो वो खेल ही नहीं पाएगा या तो गलत खेलेगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी मस्ट नो द बेसिक लीगल नॉलेज. सो what there are specific questions that are left unanswered, like what would you do if someone stops you from entering a public place? What you'll do? What would you do if someone denies you an opportunity without any valid reason? आपको पता है कि ये आपका हक है और nobody can stop you from entering any public place, or nobody can deny you any opportunity without any valid reason. Okay, maybe a person is aware that yes, his right is infringed. But the question here is, which right is infringed and how to enforce it? It gives a scope of the people infringing it. Many people are not even aware of their fundamental rights as provided by Constitution. Now, fundamental rights such as right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Those all are fundamental rights guaranteed by Constitution. So nobody can violate our basic fundamental rights. So the primary reason that makes it essential to know the law is as it allows a person to protect himself or herself, and also making sure that they are acting lawfully. It is very, very important. Similarly, when you do a business, basic knowledge of contract and agreement will make it easier. Of course, while you are traveling outside, basic knowledge of law is very important. While traveling, while seeking an interview or doing any act, it is very important to understand we are acting lawfully. Knowledge of laws enhance the life quality of the So legal rights that everyone should know. Now I'm going to state here some basic legal rights that everyone must know. A shopkeeper cannot charge more than the market price stated in a product. आपने देखा होगा कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि शॉपकीपर जो भी रिटेल प्राइस है उस पे एमआरपी है उससे ज्यादा चार्ज करते हैं ₹1 और ₹2, बट shopkeeper cannot do that. It is a crime. Actually, it is a crime and it is prohibited by law. The next is a Maturity Benefit Act. As per Maturity Benefit Act 1961, state that no company can fire a pregnant woman. मतलब कोई भी कंपनी किसी भी वुमेन को फायर नहीं कर सकती on the ground that she is pregnant. Liability of a gas agency. A very few people are aware of the fact that if a gas cylinder blasts during the cooking of food, the gas agency is liable to pay a compensation up to ₹50 lakh to the victim. So, my dear student, you must know all those basic legal knowledge. Next is a police officer cannot refuse to lodge an FIR. अगर आपके साथ कोई इंसिडेंस होता है और आपको कंप्लेंट लॉन्च करनी है, आपको कंप्लेंट फाइल करनी है, तो कोई भी पुलिस ऑफिसर आपको रिफ्यूज नहीं कर सकता है आपकी कंप्लेंट लेने से। नेक्स्ट, व्हेन यू आर ब्रेकिंग साइबर copyright laws, it is very important. You must know everyone has a mobile in their hand, everyone access internet, so you must know. आप कोई भी गाना डाउनलोड करते हो, कोई भी वीडियो डाउनलोड करते हो, तो you must know that whether you are breaking a copyright law or not. Taking and sharing photographs or videos, my dear friends, this can be a very, very, very serious offense. If you are taking or sharing any photographs or videos of a personal or private of anyone. All these laws and rights we are going to discuss in brief in our further lectures. The next is right as a tenant. As you are a student, आप बहुत सारे लोग पीजी रहते होंगे या तो एज अ टेनेंट रहते होंगे, तो टेनेंट के भी राइट्स हैं एज वेल एज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है। तो आपको ये दोनों चीजें पता होनी चाहिए कि आपके राइट्स क्या क्या है और आपके ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज क्या क्या है। तो स्टूडेंट, अब तक तो आप समझ ही गए होंगे व्हाई लीगल अवेयरनेस इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट, बिकॉज आवर सोसाइटी is a combination of people living together in a more or less order community in a peaceful manner. Okay, so each and every individual want peace in his life. So without any rules and regulation, it is impossible to formulate a well mannered society. आपको क्या लगता है, अगर रूल्स रेगुलेशंस है ही नहीं तो क्या सोसाइटी रेगुलरली पीसफुली वर्क करेगी? नहीं। Hence, law is essential part of society. It is important that there should be a legal awareness in society. Every member of society must know the law of their country. You, we have previously discussed, you cannot give excuse that I don't know that was a law. That is a law. So you can't give that excuse. Law reminds us that there is a someone or something ready to punish us if necessary. Law helps us to promote justice to any victim. No man is poor or rich in the eyes of law. Also, law helps us to regulate the behavior of people. As you know, we have legal system, right? So if any person, anyone commits a crime, we have a certain system to regulate the behavior of that person. So therefore, it is our duty to know the law and respect the law of our country. Law help us to know what to accept as consequences as a result of our action. So अगर आपको पता है जो आप एक्ट कर रहे हैं, इज इट लीगल और इलीगल, और अगर आप इलीगल एक्ट करते हैं तो उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस भी आपको पता होने चाहिए कि क्या हो सकता है। पनिशमेंट हो सकती है, इम्प्रिजनमेंट हो सकती है, मतलब जेल हो सकती है, क्या हो सकता है, आपको ये चीज पता होना ही चाहिए। Law help us to keep the society peaceful and well mannered. Yes. So how anyone or a common person come to know? लीगल अवेयरनेस कैसे हो सकता है? या तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम देखते हैं लोग कहते हैं कि इन मराठी वी यूज टू से कोर्टाची पायरी शहाण्याने चढू नये. सो देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू दिस. हमें लगता है कि लॉ बहुत महंगा है, इट इज सो कॉस्टली, और कौन जाएगा कोर्ट के चक्कर, कौन लगाएगा? एक्चुअली ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ नॉलेज. देयर इज अ लीगल एड. लीगल aid means what? Aid means help. To provide legal help, it is known as legal aid. It is free legal assistance given to poor people in judicial proceeding, administrative proceeding, quasi-judicial proceeding, or any consultation which is related to law or regarding all legal problems. So my dear friends, Legal aid, as explained by Justice P.N. Bhagwati, as an arrangement to have easy access to the justice delivery system for the poor and illiterate people, so that ignorance and poverty does not stop them from seeking justice. हम देखते हैं आज भी इंडिया में बहुत सारे इलिटरेट पॉपुलेशन है, पुअर पॉपुलेशन है, सो उनके लिए लीगल एड बनाया गया है सो दैट दे कैन एक्सेस जस्टिस. Okay. The only objective of this service to provide equal justice to the poor and the backward people or the downtrodden people. This is only include the free access to representation of an advocate in court proceeding, but also legal awareness, legal advice, public interest litigation, legal mobilization, lok adalats, law firms, and many such services that could prevent injustice. So, in legal aid, role of judiciary is very important. Judiciary has always been a major supporter and proponent of free legal aid in India. Various judgments by judiciary have proven, proven effective in promoting the legal aid programs. We have several statutes. Other statutes means laws. We have other laws also which provide us with the legal aid. So, in Code of Criminal Procedure, there is a section of 304. This section says that when in a trial court, before the court of session, the accused not able to engage a pleader or advocate to defend, and if the court feels that the accused is not in a condition to engage a pleader, then it is the duty of court to assign an advocate or a pleader for the defense of accused, and the expense will be borne out by the state. मतलब यहाँ पे कोड ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर में अंडर सेक्शन 304 ये बताया गया है, अगर कोई पर्सन वो कंडीशन में नहीं है कि वो बेयर कर पाए एक्सपेंसेस और कैन एंगेज अ प्लीडर और एडवोकेट, तो कोर्ट उसको एडवोकेट प्रोवाइड कर सकती है और जो भी एक्सपेंसेस है वो स्टेट बॉन्ड करेगा. नेक्स्ट, इट इज ऑल्सो अंडर सिविल प्रोसीजर कोड. Rule 9A states that the court has the power to assign a pleader to an endangered person and exempt such person from paying the court fees as well. Yes, तो यहाँ पे भी कोर्ट ने बताया गया है कि कोर्ट आपको एडवोकेट दे सकता है अगर आप उस कैटेगरी में हो. The next very important thing, we have a act, Legal Services Authorities Act 1987. This act is passed by the Indian Parliament, which come into effect on 9th November 1995. So November 9 every year is marked as National Legal Service Day. So the act has two main objectives. First, to provide free legal services to the poor and weaker section of society, to ensure that the citizen is deprived of justice due to any economic and other disability reason. And the second objective is that to make sure that there is equal delivery of justice by organizing lok adalats. तो ये एक्ट हमें बताता है कि जो भी सिटीजन्स हैं इंडिया में जो कि पुअर है और वीकर सेक्शन के हैं, उनको लीगल एड मतलब लीगल हेल्प प्रोवाइड की जाएगी. Section 12 of this act has entitled to free legal aid, and this act also mention institutional framework of national level, district level, and taluka level of legal service authority. At national level, there are three legal services authority: state legal service authority, district legal service authority, and taluka legal service authority. So citizen can seek all these authorities for free legal aid. And the last is Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat, the name itself states that is Adalat which provide for lok or a common person. So Lok Adalat are an alternative means of dispute resolution. What mean by dispute? Dispute means quarrels or jagda, and resolution to resolve it. The main aim to Lok Adalats is to decrease the workload of the courts and also to ensure inexpensive, speedy disposal of case. आपको तो पता ही होगा कोर्ट पे बहुत ज्यादा लोड है ऑलरेडी केसेस का, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ लोक अदालत हम ये जो केसेस है इनको लोक अदालत में सॉल्व करते हैं, और बिकॉज ऑफ लोक अदालत ये बहुत ही कम एक्सपेंस में हो जाता है और बहुत ही स्पीडी ट्रायल हो जाती है. So chapter 4 of Legal Services Authorities Act state about the provisions related to power of Lok Adalat. So Lok Adalat has its own powers. There are many benefits of Lok Adalat, such as there is no court fee required. It is very amicable way of resolving disputes, speedy disposal of case, and the parties are free to compromise or settle accordingly. So, हमने ये सब डिस्कस किया कि इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है, लीगल अवेयरनेस की जरूरत क्या है, बट अगर ये सब हम कवर करते हैं तो व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट, लीगल अवेयरनेस का इम्पैक्ट क्या हो सकता है. तो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, जस्टिस गोगाई सेड दैट लीगल एड मूवमेंट कैन नॉट अचीव इट्स गोल until people are aware about their legal rights so as their basic rights. Absence of legal awareness is a root cause of dissipation, exploitation and deprivation of rights and benefits of the masses. अगर हमें पता ही नहीं है कि हमारे rights क्या क्या है, तो यही तो कॉज है, यही तो रीजन है कि हमारे राइट्स एक्सप्लॉइट होते रहेंगे. So, Jago Grahak Jago. It is a consumer awareness program launched by Department of Food under the Government of India. आपको याद होगा जागो ग्राहक जागो, आपने टेलीविजन पे या तो एफएम पे, रेडियो पे ये एड सुनी ही होगी. This program help Indian consumers to know about their consumer rights and also about their duties as a consumer. So friends, we have rights as well as duties. So as per Jago Grahak Jago, this companion, consumers come to know, they focus on the quality, the consumer get aware, they get alert and they stay safe. Buy it right means to check whether MRP से ज्यादा प्राइस ले रहा है शॉपकीपर या उसी प्राइस में दे रहा है, एंड डिमांड योर राइट्स. ऐसे बहुत सारी एड और कंपेनियन होती रहती है कि जिसके थ्रू वी ट्राई टू डू लीगल अवेयरनेस. So friends, I hope I add some values and I shared my knowledge here. So thank you very much, and thank you for Principal Zundar Rao sir who gave me chance to share my knowledge. Thank you.